We spent 21 days in India traveling to 10 different cities by car, plane, train, boat, and rickshaw. India is a most amazing place for sights, sounds, fascinating religious ceremonies, and wildlife safaris. Highlights included visiting the Taj Mahal, tiger safaris in 2 national parks, the Sikh Golden Temple, the Beatles Ashram, the sacred Ganges River, and I can't leave off the yummy food. We also enjoyed shopping and people watching in Delhi's Old Market and various markets in other cities. We were treated royally by our guides and drivers in each city. The people we met were kind and welcoming. Enjoy each episode. We had quite a quest. We had quite a quest this morning. We landed back in Delhi on our way to Varanasi, and I had my heart set on Domino's Pizza. But Domino's Pizza is in Terminal 3, and we landed in the domestic Terminal 2 airport. And they wouldn't let us in Terminal 3 because we're not flying out of there. So, this is what I ended up getting.
You know, the Indians are pretty strict about it.
And then behind me, North Carolina's own Krispy Kreme donuts.
But look what I got.
But I'm not getting. And here's Becky's meal.
Golgappe. It's like these hollow bread ball things. They're just basically crispy crust with a potato mixture in it, and then you drink the spicy one or the sweet spicy one with it. They're called water balls.
We were trying to get to sleep when we heard some bangs and loud music and looked outside our window, and here's a wedding celebration going on right below us. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We're in Varanasi and we're going to the sacred Ganges River, the Ganga. This is where all of the funeral pyres are burned at the river. And at this time of day, we're not the only ones here. Woo. Thank you. Here?
सेंटर नीचे खड़ा हो जा तू बिचवा में आइए सर अरे कहाँ से इधर चले के फिंडा का कोई आइए सर
Many boats.
Many.
Whoa. Did we make it?
We made it.
People believe this is the nature of the life. One day we born, one day we die. When you die, you don't keep in a house, people cry and sad and all. Just how soon you can do the cremation, you can do like that. Understand? Light is a God. Light is everything like that. When you burn the light, then everything you can watch. So this water in Varanasi has become a more holiest, more purification. When you take shower here, when you see the sunrise, when you do any ritual activity, more blessingful things if you do here. Understand my point? They are the Hindu priests. When they are 5 years old, that time mother and father drop to them in this school. They have not to pay any single rupees for the education. Till 21 years, they learn Sanskrit, Vedas, mantras, become very intelligent priests.
And over here
But that is so many type of, you know, when the people bring the dead body here, when the people bring the dead body to this place, it's like delicious. That's like 1 or 2 vegetable and some fried chapati. Baby. So you know this is the feeling of the people. If you put inside, the child can get a very soon rebirth.
The 5 people who are not cremated are pregnant women, children under the age of 5, people who have leprosy, people who died of a snake bite, and priests. Their body is just weighted and put in the river and they sink to the bottom.
Keep in your hand, one by one.
Thank you.
Welcome. So it is not easy to bring this dead body here for cremation. Organ. This is the male and this is the female.
The main what? Oh, the rock.
Yeah. Now.
Here's a scale where they weigh out the wood that you buy for the cremation.
So awesome. Especially that. I know. Yeah. Hey, come on, baby. Go. Do it.
हाँ निकाल ले
I like that. The same
Put the glaze on it like
jalebi.
Krispy Kreme donut.
Okay, jalebi. Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste. This is jalebi, Indian funnel cake, basically. Fried and then immersed in the sugar water.
And I get to eat it. Here we go.
Pretty good, huh?
It's very good.
Yeah, I'll have some too. Be taken off with my jalebi. Is that okay?
I think it was fine. He did it. I did a little one. That was a very loud one.
Special guest, they say to be and bring to here.
ओम पवित्रो पवित्रो वा सर्वावस्थान गतो विवाय स्मरे पुंडरी गाचो सावायांद्रासुजे पुंडरी गाचो पुनातु पुंडरी.
He is going to worship for your good relation with your husband and wife.
Bye.
I like how friendly everybody is. I know. I like that. He's getting in the lead.
Oh, look where they took us.
Where? Oh,
Look
where
it.
are we? It's a sign. What is it? Domino's. Are you kidding? Alright, we gotta go there, you guys. I'm dying now.
Domino's, we're walking away. Don't have time to go in. It's been so elusive. The lava cake. This is so great. This way.
You see the body of the face is here. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yes.
All bodies.
Closest one, the lowest.
That body is the body. You see the upside is a white color. White color.
Yes.
Yeah, the white color cloth, not open.
Okay.
He will belong to this Indian body, and he wears the white color. When I told you 10 days, he will not going to be. This is a ghat, Manikarnika Ghat. This is one of the holiest place for the cremation. And nearly 300 body every day cremate to this place. So it is the belief of the Hindu people, if you cremate here, your soul go to the heaven. By known or unknown, if you have done any mistake in your life, that will be totally apologized for the God and Goddess, you know. So most probably people bring the dead body here for cremation. One dead body takes 3 to 4 hour time for proper cremation. Nearly 250 to 300 kilogram wood is needed. It's a depend on your pocket budget. Minimum $150 to $200 you need for proper cremation. And after the cremation, people also throw all ashes in river Ganges,
All the
merge in a river Ganges, and after then all the family member and relative, they move from this place.
He has been continuously blowing this horn, flute, whatever instrument he has here for about, how long would you say? 5 or 6 minutes. We're in a motorized rickshaw heading back to the hotel after watching the Arti on the Ganga River.